The Samsung Galaxy A17 is a well-rounded mid-range smartphone that combines modern performance with premium display features at an accessible price. It sports a vibrant 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, delivering smooth visuals and durability. Under the hood, the device is powered by the 5nm Exynos 1380 chipset, paired with up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, offering solid performance for multitasking and everyday use. The triple rear camera system includes a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro camera, while the 16MP front-facing camera handles selfies and 4K video recording with ease. The A17 runs on Android 16 with Samsung's refined One UI 8.0, ensuring a seamless and customizable user experience. A 5000 mAh battery fuels the device, supporting 25W fast charging to keep you powered throughout the day. With 5G connectivity, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and sleek color options like black and blue, the Galaxy A17 delivers impressive value for around $200.